I'm back again, and I'm going to be singing America the Beautiful. Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountain majesties across the fruited plain. America, America, God shed his grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. Oh, beautiful for pilgrim feet, whose stern impassionate stress a thoroughfare for freedom beat across the wilderness. America, America, God shed